In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend and soften photo edges in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, and achieving that soft, blended look on the edges of your photos can add a remarkable touch to any design. Let's dive into it. First things first, open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, you'll find it an intuitive online platform that offers a fantastic array of tools for graphic design. Once you're in, go ahead and create a new design. You can pick any size that suits your project. For example, if you're working on a social media post, you might choose Instagram post from the options provided. Once your blank canvas is ready, it's time to bring in your image. You can either upload a photo of your own or choose one from Canva's impressive library. If you have a specific image in mind, simply navigate to the Uploads tab to get it into your project. Drag your image onto the canvas, positioning it as desired. Make sure it covers the area you want with sufficient extra space around the edges for blending. Next, head over to the Elements section in Canva. Here you will find a search bar. Type in the word gradient. What you're looking for is a gradient element that transitions from white to transparent. This is key because it's going to allow you to blend your photo's edges seamlessly. Take a moment to scroll through the options and find one that suits your style. Once you've selected a gradient, click on it to add it to your design. Now, you'll want to resize this gradient so that it covers the edge of your photo. Simply click on the corners of the gradient and drag to resize. The idea is to position the gradient so that it overlaps the edges of your photo where you want the blending to occur. With the gradient in place, the final step is to adjust its transparency. Click on the gradient, and in the toolbar above, you'll see a transparency option. It looks like a checkerboard icon. Adjust this setting to taste so that the gradient softly merges with your image, creating a subtle fade effect along the edges. You might want to play around with the positioning and transparency until you achieve a look that's just right. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to blend and soften the edges of your photo, giving your design a polished and professional appearance. Feel free to experiment with different gradients and transparency settings to see what works best for your project. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing on Canva.